vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. The National Weather Service in the... The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Portage, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.